ka kynhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Rkc-Lum da ka jingialang Paidbah Madan Polo ban pyni jingiatylli nakmenta ban Kyrshan kyrtong iamonlang Dr.Jemino Mawthoh hakani ka jingialang ladon langru mentirang ba ka jala konrat sangma uspika ka assembly Dr. Don Kuparroy ki menteri sarkar jala ki nongyalam parti badan lang haka MDA ki MLA ki MDC pat ki we de ki kynhun hakani ka jingialang lasaki de ki Paidbah nakaleng ki belawan man ajing Kyrshan ya kani ka jingialang ki parti badan hak sarkar MDA light no kaseng BJP
parali wi nakwa ban pentel mau khendiat bagi ki jinge bakung ke jaben riu ngilia kendu bat ayu bau MP jongi ulale naga bynta jong ke jaben riu ko besem ke jinge ngaken mau hakasem 8000 sipho hakabaga jing ya snam ya jing sya thombor ke pulita sam kala jia ke state jungi ki khap border ken mau hapo to kapor the government hapo ke jela ke jungi ke dei ke congress hapo ke jela mu dr mukul sangma MP hapo to kapor dei ima vincent pala akaba samut kimensim ke bakodor ila tuno na ke jing sya thombor agi pulita sam ken mau hapo to kapor ba Nagaland chief minister Nagaland ka congress government Iong ba in penbait mardor yo purusam khangwa mandra ya permanent solution ya boundary dispute keblane mentala bun kikisnam ngabu ke jingli ayu ba MP jongi ulakren hapo ka parliament 8000 khata assembly ke jongi ka pass ita ka resolution bakandon ka boundary commission na klem yu dak a rume madu kenta lasi post nem agbo MP jongi to pola polar ban sim khya wale sa jo ka parliament bat ka sarkar congress ong ban convey to urusa ayung inong MD government ka batang system. There are 5 candidates who are contesting, and you must elect one of these 5 candidates to be the MP of Shillong. My friends, today you can see that on stage we have a galaxy of leaders who are present out here. We have a number of political parties who are sitting here today. We have MLAs from different political parties. We have MDCs from different political parties. These political parties fought against each other in the MLA election. These parties fought against each other in the MDC election. But yet, today we are all sitting here together. And this is a very strong message to the entire state. And our message is very clear. That when it comes to fighting for our people, when it comes to representing our people, when it comes to put our people ahead, we as leaders and political parties will be mature and we will unite in one voice to ensure that our people are protected, that our region is protected, that our state is protected. That is the message that we want to give the entire state and all the people in our state and in the region. That we are united. We will always fight when it comes for the rights of our people. And that is the message that we want to give to the entire state and the entire region of Northeast. My friends, this MDA government has been in power and been in governance for the past 1 year. Whenever I meet my MLAs and my cabinet colleagues, I remind them that being in power, being a minister or being a chief minister is not a privilege. We must not take pride or be proud about the fact that we are ministers or that we are part of the government. Instead, being in the government must be looked at as an opportunity that Almighty God has given us to make a difference in our people's lives. We must realize that it's an opportunity for us. We must realize that we need to be humble. We need to realize that every day matters. And there should not be a single day when we forget the difficulties that our people face. And we must remind each one of us every day why we are here. What is the purpose of we sitting here and being in the cabinet and being in the government? We must remind ourselves. And it is with this spirit and with this vision and idea that we have been moving forward. My friends, this past 1 year has been full of challenges for us. We have faced a number of difficulties. A lot of problems came in front of us. Yet, we stood as a team. We stood shoulder to shoulder, just like any team should. We were always there to support each other. There is nobody who is above the others. We are all equal in this government. And that is how we moved forward. And that is the spirit of coalition that we're taking forward.
Pagkakuha amni hakin kapor, lese kalong nasien kabalingkong, kung malakren na kalyang, jong umintri rangma, jong kani kajala, ka history, ya kini ki party Rkc-Lum, hakini kajala kabayi kajongi, banyawan lang, hakajo kalama, badda kaway kasur, jingiatylli lang ron, ban penmiken, yaw tau candidate iamonlang, ban yakun hakani ke election MP Rajar Khatkhandai. Kampat jujia kot, haka history jong politics, hakani ke jela ka bagi ke jongi. Basaw tili ki party Rkc-Lum, rengkat pat independent, kibadan la kajong kanongrem trekam, kibadan la kajong ki mat trekam, hakajing trekam kajong ki, agi party kewakiyeng, bynta kilaiwan lang syakmat, jingiatylli, dakaway kasur, dakaway kajingmut, bansay yo candidate iamonlang, hakani ke MP election Rajar Khatkhandai. Kapani yakijing yi jingai, nakaliang jong kini ki nongyalam ki baramba, jong kani ke sarkar MDA. Kapani yakita kajing long scam, akajing mot kajing berkat, jong kini ki nongyalam ki jongi. Bat kadai kajing kwa nakaliang jong ki, banskap yakita ka sur jong Paidbah, namalabon teliki stem bynta, Paidbah salansar, akani ka RiKhasi ka jongi. Uperta, baru posniu, baru angnut, ya kata ke jingiatylli, jong kinongelam jongi, bat jong kejat benriu ke jongi. Bat kani ke jing angnut, ke jing posniu nakaliang jong Paidbah salansar, akani ke RiKhasi ke jongi. Kala orlong ken, akani ke kenti ke pemanta. Saw tali ki party Rkc-Lum, kiba kentop ya ke NPP, kiba kentop ya ke HSPDP, ke PDF, ke UDP, rengkat bat MLA independent, ilayawan lang nakaway ke sur, nakaway ke jingmut, ban penting liang, Ya kani ke jat penrio ke jongi sa sisian pat. Nasmo bangilong ibadan bok hadu kata-kata. Bakini ki rio rang ba. Kila syem ya kani karai rang ba. Ban penyang yau candidate iamonlang. Nani tuo ya pi ayang hang ni. Aga jing siang amlong ruem. Akhmat jong pi. Ladam day na kini ki rio rang ba. Kinong ilang ba kinong Kyrshan. Jong kini ki Saul tu ki parti. Namna ken banyang akhmat jong pi hakan ka por. Banyalap ya kini ki election. Aga bay day. Bat kini ki MP Lok Sabha arajar kat kendai. Banas pau pen pau ya kini skomo. Kajing skomo rong miu play. Ubah play ya kini ka lat kalenti. Banas pen pau ya kini skomo rong. Ya kini ki rangba. Kibadan kata ka jingai. Na kamenta kalawe. Jong kami kajat penriu ke jongi. Banas ngodan bok shibon. Bahkan ni ke kenti ke pementa. Ngan yo ken ban yang khmat jong pi. Ban ong. Bahkan ni ke kenti ke pementa. Kini kinong yalam. Kila jet ken yang ban mi khmat. Angkai hadarbar ba. Delhi. Parlimen. Ban long. Kasur jong Paidbah. Jong kani ke jela ka bait ke jongi. Bat jong kani ke jat penriu ke jongi. Dang hakini ki khniat kayo. Ilayo ya ke jingjit ikinong mikmat. Siya kini ki Rkc ki District Council. Bat ke ay kabanga Scotland kalong. Baha kini ki Rkc ki District Council ro. Ilayo bantao. Ya kita ki Executive Committee ki baskem. Apo kalama. Jong ka United Democratic Alliance. Ilayo ken menta. Ya ka sarkar ke baskem. Kani ka sarkar MDA. Banilayo, ya kini ki Executive Committee ki baskem. Akini ki Rkc ki District Council. Abang ipai, siki por ki bala ledno. Kum ki Paidbah, teng isko penyaw. Abang ipet, ya ke jingialang, jong kinong ilam ki jongi. But abang ipai kmat kamdam. Siya kini ki Rkc ki District Council ngi juyi. Ba kini ki MDC. Non-step kidon hakaway ka party. Janmit kidon hakaway ka party. Masyay kiladon hakaway ka party. Barhabang ipet, ya ka jing ikni syuki. Ya ka jing tao ya kita ki Executive Committee. RCN, Lycian, tang haka system. Hapan penkela, ya kita ki Executive Committee. Batlay na kini ka daw. Iba HS sila. Usiem balalet no. Ikren benyaw. Yung balay ba kinikibil, iblapas na kanyang District Council, makin ban pentulun ya kini syakmat. Kadawa dausan kalong, bongdan ke jingiatylli, jong kini ki MDC, kini ki Rkc ki District Council. Bandan kata ke jingiatylli, apreng ke District Council, bat ke jela Meghalaya, bat kini ke sarkar jela, bat day na kini ke daw. Kita ki bil, batian, melaban pentulun syakmat.